Low cocoa yields are currently a serious constraint to the sustainability of the local and regional cocoa industry. It does not have to be so. We have very good cocoa planting material of the Trinitario type available to us. Farmers just need to be able to select the best among them in terms of yield, disease resistance, and other good characteristics. Superior Trinitario cocoa planting material in the Caribbean can be found in the several cocoa producing countries such as Dominica, Grenada, Jamaica, St. Lucia, St. Vincent, and Trinidad and Tobago, which are exclusive or 100% producers of fine or flavor cocoa that attracts premium prices in the global niche marketplace. Our beans have a reputation for exceptional flavor and quality. We must safeguard that. Our Trinitario beans tend to be relatively large and plump, and violet to light purple in color when cut open. So farmers, if you see light colored beans in your field, be mindful that you could have very select planting material of a Criollo type, which produces a very good flavor. You need to monitor the production and productivity of your fields. Get to know your trees. Note which ones produce the largest pods, the most number of pods in a growing season. Cut those pods open, count the number of seeds or beans, and measure the wet weight of the seeds. So you are looking for large beans, numerous beans, and many pods per tree. Your trees must also be able to resist the prevailing diseases in the Caribbean, which are witch's broom disease and black pod disease. They should be vigorous, having large trunk girths, and they should be early bearing, so that by 3 years old, they should be producing pods. Your selection criteria for ensuring high productivity and production in cocoa are in size and weight, more than 3 grams wet individual bean weight, or 1 to 1.2 grams dried, large bean number, more than 45 beans per pod, a low pod index, which is a measure of the number of pods required to produce 1 kg of dried cocoa. Ideally, 15 to 20 pods to produce 1 kg of dried cocoa. Also look for many flowers and floral cushions on your main trunk especially. Many flowers translate into many pods. There are different plants and densities that are ideal for different commercial Trinidad selected hybrids, so that you need to know which types grow best at close spacing if you want to have a maximum number of trees per hectare, such as 1,700 trees per hectare. TSH 919 is a good candidate for close planting. Remember to replace your trees once they attain the age of 25 years, so that you will have most productive trees in your field. The trees, as they age, they will lose their productivity and you will get lower yields in the coming years. In all, once you have the right planting material with all of these traits, the modern hybrids that we have available, particularly in Trinidad and Tobago with the Trinidad selected hybrids, should give you yields of 2,000 kgs per hectare. And remember, 25% of your trees can produce up to 53% of the cocoa. You want to maintain trees that are highly productive and remove the ones that may not be as productive.